talk about how can you enable offers and inspirations notifications on your OTS Banco app, or you go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click your account down here. When you just click on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on communications here, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on ots.com. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Click here on offers and inspirations. Just click on it here. You come to this list. Then here you enable it for email. Then here for SMS. Then here if you want to add the phone number here for SMS or just for email, then you click on update. Then it's going to add with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.